Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, hope everybody's doing well. Let's check out the NMY l700 brushless motor folding camera drone with GPS. Here's the remote. It has all of the functionality of a professional drone. Your GPS button there, long press to turn it on. I have it off now. It's on in default when you turn it on. For flying inside, I've just got it shut off. I have 10 satellites in here though, so I probably could use GPS. We're gonna test the optical flow mode. So that'll hold the altitude and we'll see if it can hover. All right, thanks for watching. Here we go. Sometimes it takes it a few seconds to get locked in to a spot. There it is. I do have heaters and things blowing in here, so that could be affecting the performance a little bit, so consider that. Alright, that looks like it's doing pretty well, considering it's got all of the heat blowing around here. So let's see if it can fly around okay. It all works good. You have 3 speeds. Control it with the dial right here. Oops, gotta go backwards, go down. Alright, there's speed 1, speed 2. Go up to speed 3, see if our yaw is any different. Looks like it's maybe just a hair faster, but not much. It is E-beam. It's like getting right under that drone, don't you? It's dangerous, girl. She don't mind. She's really chill. Alright guys, I think it's doing pretty well. Can't wait to get it outside when the weather breaks. It's snowing and raining, you know what, here in Indiana. Not good for outdoor hobby time, that's for sure. Or anything really outdoor. That's what time of year it is. Alright, let's land it. Let's just land it normally. Very good. Motor stopped real quick. I like it. Well guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.